Hey Teabags, what's going on? And today we are doing a tech video. Yes, I have bought something expensive once again. And do you remember the last time when I bought headphones? And they was the Sony WH-1000XM3s. Now these are literally my favorite headphones ever. I love these. The noise cancellations are amazing. And I just love them. They're crazy. They came in 2018, as you can see, August 2018. I think that's when they came out. They've got Alexa built in. They've got Google Assistants built in. High-res audio, 30 hours of battery life, Bluetooth wireless, noise cancellation. That's what you need. I bought these for the main reason of taking them on a plane and basically drowning out all the plane noise and traveling with, basically. That's what I bought them with, and I use them for gaming as well. I know, you can use them for gaming. It's crazy. And literally, these are amazing. They fold up and they're amazing. They're just great. The only thing, Teabags, is they are expensive. But Amazon does let you, when you buy them from Amazon, which Amazon is always good, they do let you pay like monthly interest free. So it's always good. So I decided to pick myself up the Mark IVs. Yes. So basically the Mark IVs are better. But in what way? Now we're going to look at the box to see what difference we can see. Now the only thing that difference I can see mainly is that the noise cancellation is better. I have no idea how, but it is better. They've got a new chip in, so that means it's better, I guess. The hours of the battery life is the same. Now it's different Bluetooth, which is a lot better than the normal Bluetooth. I think it's like 5.0, maybe something else. I need to check that actually. It will probably tell you on the back, or not. But it should be a better Bluetooth, which is the newest one. But I can't see it on here. But it will be. It will be the newest Bluetooth version, so that's always good. And it's also got 360 reality audio. I don't know what that means. I'm guessing it's better with 360 audio. Now, we know what these look like, obviously. I want to see what they are difference-wise, because these are the ones that I use all the time. You see them every time I do a video. I've always got them on. They're great. Now, when I do a video with them, I will plug them in because it's less latency. It doesn't have hardly any latency, but I haven't plugged in just because I don't need the noise cancellation. And I like them plugged in. It's just easier with my mixer. I've had them in the past where don't have them plugged in, and I've got them wireless, and that is great. But, you know, they are great. They're still amazing. I could still use these if I wanted to, but I'm going to pass these down to my father. Because he's been looking for some noise cancellation ones, and I think these will do him great. You know, they're amazing. But I want to see what the difference are, because I think the buttons are might be in different locations. So we're going to open these bad boys and see where they actually are. Now, I'm going to open this real quick because you're not going to be able to see it on screen. So let me just try and open this with my magical ways, because I don't know. I don't have magical ways. But anyway, these cost, I think I bought them for, if I can get my Amazon thing up for you, I think I bought them for 200 and something pounds, but I'm paying 40 something or 50 something a month for 5 months, something like that. So Amazon is great when it does these, like, where you can get expensive items and you can pay monthly for it, where it's interest free. There's no, you know, added costs or anything, which sometimes you do see that in places, which is annoying because you want to pay the normal price. But the packaging is actually, the packaging feels a lot different. Like, it feels more, it's glossy. It's more glossy. That's weird. Okay, let's open them up. Let's have a look at these bad boys. So obviously you get a case with it. You get instructions. So I've still got the old case. So it's literally the same case. Oh, where is the case? Oh, I can see it. I can see it's in the background. Hold on. I think it's the same, like, literally. I think it's the same case. Like, that's from the Mark IIIs, and this is from the Mark IVs. Maybe a little bit different. It looks a bit dark. This is a bit like lighter, and this is a bit darker. That could be because it's been used. I don't know. Anyway, it's still got the rose pink, like, zip. So, you know. I can't even get the zip out. There we go. So you can still see the rose pink on it. Let's open these up. I hope I've opened them the right way. You know, sometimes I don't even open them the right way. So there they are. You've got all this stuff in there. I've opened them the wrong way. Listen, it happens. But the main thing is, let's look in the box first. So we have a lot of instructions, which I'm not going to read, but free trial with that. I don't know what that is. Do you want it? It's there. Let's see if you can stop it. It's a code. I don't really want it. And some other stuff, which I probably won't need because I kind of know how these work. Let's check these out. So you always get like the plain little thing if you ever want to take it onto a plane and have it wired, which I don't think you would. You would always have it with your thing, but that's nice. You can keep it in there. It's actually got a pouch for it. Did the other one have a pouch for it? Hold on. I'm interested now. I'm very interested if the other one had a pouch for it. It did have a pouch for it. Okay. That's kind of interesting. So it's pretty much the same. Yeah, it's the same packaging. So you've got the wires, which make it wired if you want that. And then you've got the charging thing. It's a very small charging cable. So I would recommend to just get another, I don't know, Type C longer one if you want to charge it for longer, you know, I don't know, for a longer range, I don't know. But let's see what's different about them. So far, I could see something completely different inside them. So if I, hold on, let me just open the bracket up. So if I turn, I think it's the left one, the left ear to you, right? You can see nothing in that, right? It's a bit dirty because it's been used. But this one, you can see something in it. You see that black there? You see it? That's not in this one. So I don't know what that is. Is it the chip? Is it the indicator? I have no idea. That's weird. That is something there. Is it a speaker? So what we got here, we have, so the Mark IIIs has on the left side, so the Mark IIIs at the top, the Mark IVs are at the bottom. On the left side, you've just got the charging port and nothing else, which is the same. On the right side, you've got noise cancellation on the Mark IIIs, turn on, same at the bottom, and you've got custom on that one. So I don't know how you turn the noise cancellation on. That might be a bit weird. So these don't have a noise cancellation button, I guess. Let's see how they feel. I would say, oh, they feel kind of like, I don't know, they feel a lot nice. There's a lot more pressure there. Hold on. There's a lot more pressure in the Mark IVs. I believe so. Oh yeah, there's definitely a lot more pressure. There is definitely, yeah, there's definitely a lot more pressure there. But they are pretty much similar. Now, to be honest, like I say at the minute, I would recommend any of these. If you've got the money, get the Mark IVs because, you know, the new, and you can pay monthly on Amazon for them. If you like Amazon, if you like paying monthly, then fair enough. Get the Mark IVs. The Mark IIIs are still great. I love these. I've used them every single day. Like literally, mostly every single day I've used these. And they are amazing. I love them. They're just great. I would always recommend the Sony headphones. Now, I know there's a lot of people that recommend Sonys, and there's a lot of recommend Bose or whatever it's called. There's a lot of different headphones in the market, but I still think the Sony WH-1000X Mark IVs or Mark IIIs are literally the best noise cancellations in the market. Now, I could be wrong, obviously, but I don't know. I've always loved these. I'm so happy that I've got them to try them out and mess with them even more. And yeah, I can't go wrong. They look good. They look classy. And I'm happy with my purchase. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what you Teabags think in the comments. Would you get these if you could have them? Would you get the Mark IVs? Would you get the Mark IIIs? What would you get? So pretty much they look the same. I think you can get them in grey or like a whitish grey. But either way, they're pretty much similar. You know, I think, are these bigger? No, they look pretty similar though. They look pretty similar. But hey, let me know in your comments. I'm going to use the Mark IVs for for the rest of the time now when you see me on video. Sorry for my messy hair. I've been at work and I wanted to do this video very quick because, you know, I love tech videos. I love doing them. And yeah, they came today and I'm so happy. And yeah, I'm going to use them. I'll let you know in another tech video. I'm going to be using them for a week. And I'll give you some more intel on how I've been using them, how they've been getting on, and all that glorious stuff. Thank you for watching Teabags, and this has obviously been another tech video. Let me know what you think about the tech videos. Do you like them? Do you hate them? What do you think? Put a like if you do, and if you want to get Mark 4s or Mark 3s, either way. And like I always say, Teabags, thank you for all the support. You are all amazing, and I'll see you next time in whatever video I do. See you next time.